name is Sahil. Today I am going to talk about ascot, a fascinating and versatile vegetable. Ascot is also known as winter melon or white gourd. It's a large green vegetable with a waxy skin. Ascot, as it has a cylindrical shape and can be quite big, often reaching up to 30 inches in length. Ascot is low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals, making it a healthy choice for many dishes. This vegetable can be used to soups, curries, and even sweet dishes like halwa. It, it helps the digestion and keeps you hydrated because it has a high water content. In some places, ascot is used during festivals and ceremonies for its symbolic meanings. Harvest help with every veggie. Thank you.